Good morning, children. Today for the 4th standard, I've already sent you the lesson of our body, which is a wonderful machine. That is lesson number 13. So today I'm going forward and doing the question answers for you. I've written the question answers on the board. You have to write it down in your classwork note. So the first question goes as, what is respiration? So the process, children, I'll read it out to you so that in case the board is not visible, you'll be able to listen to Mrs. audio and you get the answer correct. What is respiration? Okay, the process of taking in oxygen, you breathe in oxygen, correct, and giving out carbon dioxide, you release carbon dioxide out, is called respiration. So the process, it's very simple. The process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide is called respiration. You have to write all these questions in your classwork note, children. Second question, what are the respiratory organs? What are the respiratory organs? So the respiratory organs, children, nose, then you have your windpipe and you have your lungs. The nose, the lungs, windpipe are the respiratory organs. You find 3 organs: the nose, the windpipe and your lungs. They are the respiratory organs. Coming to the third question, which is the main organ of the body? Which is the main organ of the body? The main organ of the body which pumps blood to all the parts of the body is the heart. They ask you which is the main organ of the body. So the main organ of the body which pumps blood to all the other parts of the body is the heart. So that is the main organ. So these are your 3 question answers here. Now I come to this side. Question number 4. What is blood circulation, children? What is blood circulation? So the pure blood which has oxygen, the pure blood which has oxygen reaches all parts of the body through the blood vessels. This is called blood circulation. So you all have blood in your body, correct? So the pure blood which has oxygen reaches all the parts of the body through blood vessels. This is called as blood circulation. Fine? What is blood circulation? Pure blood that reaches all the parts of the body through your blood vessels. You have seen these nerves in your hand. Through these blood vessels, they reach to all parts of the body. It's called as blood circulation. Now coming to the 5th question. What is digestion? What is digestion? Children, the process by which the food gets digested and reaches the blood is called as digestion. You take food, no? You eat your food to get energy. This food gets digested in your stomach. It becomes into tinier particles in your stomach and then it goes to the blood vessels. So the blood vessels get nutrition to grow. The process by which the food gets digested, they get digested and reaches the blood is called as digestion. So this all has to be written in your classwork note, children. Okay. Then the 6th question, which organs help in digestion? Which organs help in digestion, children? Mouth, you have your mouth, your throat, your food pipe which you cannot see, you have your stomach, you have a small intestine, a large intestine and an anus. So the organs that help in digestion, children: mouth, throat, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. But these are the organs that help in digestion. Now the last one is excretion. What is excretion? The unused food particles that are not required by the body is excreted out. Excreted or is thrown out of the body is called as excretion. So understood, children? The unused food particles. You eat a lot of things during the whole day. You have your breakfast, you have your lunch, you have your dinner. Then you eat snacks in the middle. So all this, whatever the body wants, the body will absorb all the good things, and what is bad, what is not required by the body is thrown out of the body. So when it is thrown out of the body, it's called as excretion. So the unused food particles that are not required by the body is excreted out, it is called as excretion. So children, these 7 question answers are there. You have to write this in your classwork note, take a picture and send it to Rohana ma'am for correction. I hope it's all clear to you. This was pending, these question answers were pending. I have given you 7 questions and later on I'll give you the rest. So this is all for this lesson. Lesson number 13, our body, a wonderful machine. So do this, take a picture and send it to Rohana ma'am in the WhatsApp. Okay? Thank you children.